Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, locate the Graco label for weight and height limits, and decide rear-facing versus forward-facing. Place the car seat on the vehicle seat, align the base with the vehicle belt path. Thread the seat belt or latch strap through the clearly marked belt path and engage the seat belt lock or latch connector. Tighten until the seat moves less than 1 inch at the base. Once done, check recline indicator so the angle matches the label for a safe install. You now focus on securement. Apply firm downward pressure on the base while pulling the belt or latch strap to remove all slack, and use the lock-off if your model has one to keep tension. Next, position the harness. Rear-facing straps must lie at or below the child's shoulders, forward-facing at or above. Place the chest clip at armpit level and tighten the harness until you can no longer pinch any webbing at the shoulder. These steps prevent excessive movement in a crash. You finish by inspecting everything. Confirm the recline angle indicator, belt routing, harness snugness, and chest clip position. Perform the 1-inch test. The base should not move more than 1 inch at the belt path. If you find looseness, retighten the belt or latch, reroute through the correct path, and recheck the lock-off. If problems persist, consult the Graco manual and call a certified child passenger safety technician for help. This prevents mistakes that could cost lives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.